सो हेलो एवरीबॉडी. नाउ सुबोध लॉ क्लासेस में saga of success continues. Now here I have with me Pratik Kumar. He has cracked Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Pune Law Entrance Exam and he has got 19th rank in Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Law Entrance Exam. जैसा कि आपको मालूम है, we have two types of law course, 5-year LLB course and 3-year LLB course. Now 5-year LLB course is open after 10 plus 2 and 3-year LLB course is open after graduation. Now प्रतीक ने ग्रेजुएशन इसी साल कंप्लीट किया है और ये विभिन्न 3-year लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स के फॉर्म्स भरे थे. अभी तक जितनी भी एग्ज़ाम इंडिया में हुई है ये सारे एग्ज़ाम में क्लियर हो चुके हैं and he has cleared the most prestigious Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Law Entrance Exam. There he has got 19th rank all over India. So Pratik, congratulations on your grand success.
Thank you, sir.
So इस सक्सेस के बाद आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है? How are you feeling?
So I am feeling very happy and nice. At the same time, my dream of pursuing law has finally came true.
Okay.
And sir, I get the credit to you because it is only because of your guidance and support that I am able to do this.
Okay. So he is feeling very nice, and I have seen that last 1 year he has worked very hard, and finally he has brought laurels to his life, to his family, and to this coaching institute also. So we congratulate Pratik Kumar once again on his grand success.
Thank you,
Now,
sir.
so जो भारतीय विद्यापीठ की एंट्रेंस एग्जाम है, 3 LLB एंट्रेंस एग्जाम, because you have cracked 3 LLB entrance exam.
Yes, sir.
So you tell us something about भारतीय विद्यापीठ 3 LLB entrance exam.
Sir, this exam is basically of 100 questions, consists of 100 questions.
Right.
And there is no negative marking.
Okay, that's very good.
And it consists of 4 sections.
Right.
Maths.
Right.
Maths and reasoning.
Right.
GK and current affairs.
Right.
English and legal.
Right.
And each section carries 25 marks.
Okay, very good, very good. So how much total you scored?
So I scored 67 out of 100 and 19th rank all over India.
Okay, so he got 67 marks out of 100, securing 19th rank all over India. So you can just gauge the situation that if you get 65 plus, 60 plus, there is good chance of getting into Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Law Entrance Exam. Okay, as you said कि एग्जाम 100 मार्क्स का होता है, divided into 4 sections, and one of the sections is law. Now the question is, you have not studied law earlier.
No,
So how did you prepare for legal aptitude section of Bharatiya Vidyapeeth?
Yes, sir, I'll be very honest on this. Sir, before coming here, law is the only subject which is completely new for us.
Right.
So there is a fear in my mind that whether I will be able to do it or not. But after coming here, the way you taught us, your method of teaching is so good that it became very easy for me to understand each and every section clause of law.
Okay.
And at the end of when I was going to give the exam, I think law was the only subject where I was very much confident that I will be able to do very good on that.
Okay. So now, in entrance exam, legal aptitude is one of the sections where you have scored maximum marks.
Yes, sir.
So we hope कि 3 साल में जो आप लॉ की पढ़ाई कीजिएगा, तो because law is very interesting for you,
Yes, sir.
and it has been a big factor for you to get success in Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Law Entrance
Yes, sir.
Exam.
Yes, sir.
So we hope that next 3 years you will excel in law papers.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Definitely.
Now, how did you prepare for overall exam, like GK, reasoning, English? How did you prepare for everything?
Sir, I'll be very honest. When I came here, I was a layman. I was
Right.
completely unaware of what I have to study,
Right.
how to study.
Right.
But after when I came here, I just followed you what you said.
Right.
I used to revise each and every class what you used to taught.
Right.
And then the material given by you was very beneficial. I think no question was out of that.
Right.
And I used to revise it again and again.
Okay.
And that was, and in this way I did it.
So he is giving the tips for success. Whatever is taught by teacher who is very expert and who is giving notes which are very valuable from examination point of view, if you revise those notes, if you put in hard efforts, you are bound to succeed in any law entrance exam. So let me tell you, he was very regular in the class and he was working very hard to crack 3 LLB entrance exam. Now, it's very good that you have cracked this entrance exam. It must have boosted your morale, your confidence.
Yes.
Now, you please share with the audience, what is your aim after doing 3 LLB course?
Sir, I am very clear on this. My aim is to go for judiciary. That is, I want to become a judicial officer.
Right.
And it was the only reason, therefore, I pursued law
Okay.
as my career.
So I would suggest you that you do your law papers in your college very sincerely, and at the same time, right from very first year itself, you start preparing for judicial
Yes,
exam.
yes.
All the law papers that you study those law papers very thoroughly from proper textbook written by very good authors, and you see that along with your law papers in your semester exam in your law colleges, you also start studying what is known as